Hi everyone, it's Amanda with WTI, and today I'm going to show you something that it's really helpful when it comes to drying your dishes. This is the iDesign silicone chevron non-slip dish drying mat. It's really handy when it comes to using it. I like to have it next to the sink to dry my spoons, my glasses, plates, or any other container. Something that I like about it is that it doesn't slip even when there is water on it. Also, I like that it is made of a strong material. It is easy to store because it folds up and it's easy to clean and dry. So I love it and I recommend it 100%. If you are always in the kitchen and it's something practical and comfortable to dry your dishes, I highly recommend the iDesign silicone chevron non-slip dish drying mat. I love it so much, and that's my point of view.